All right, this is a little bonus episode here. You'll notice, or actually you won't notice because, well, you can't see it, but I didn't actually commit anything to GitHub. I didn't push anything to GitHub. I didn't make any commits. I didn't do anything after the last few lessons. If I go to git status, actually I need to Control-C out of my environment, git status, and you'll see like a bunch of stuff that I added and changed and whatever. So let's save, effectively, quote unquote, save what we're doing here. I'm actually going to add all of the changes to the commit, git add, and then a little period. And I'm going to do two ampersands so I can do the commit on the same line. It's going to execute these things one right after the other. Git add and then git commit. I need to add a message with -m and then in quotation marks. See, I did a lot. I should do this after each change I make, really, but I failed at doing that. So let's just say this: added pages and Zapier API route. That's good enough for now, right? Clear, git status, everything's good now, and now I want to push it so it goes live. So if I go to topicalmap, that's not even it, that's Yaya's site. Topicalmap.ai, he's gonna hate me for having a similar domain name. Anyways, this will take a second to spin up because my server was down due to inactivity, but I can guarantee it'll load the old version right now. So let's go to git push and then do that. And let's actually just hop on over into render just to make sure it is rebuilding. Yep, there it is. topicalmap.ai deploying. It'll take maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Again, this tool probably isn't, yeah, okay. It spun down due to inactivity or whatever. So let's go to, that is, here's this deploy that we just did. Oh, that's going to my thing here. There we go. All right, so this will take 2 or 3 minutes, and then this will be up live on the site. There's my old thing right there. Let me pause the video. Actually, I'm not gonna pause the video. While this is building, one other thing we can do is go ahead and create a new branch for this new feature. We're gonna do, not in this video, but in the next video, which I believe is Google Auth. Yes, log in, log out functionality, and being able to lock down pages for non-logged in users and stuff like that. That's gonna be a really great video coming up next. And it's actually a big feature, so let's split it off into its own thing. So let me go back into code here, and let's clear this. Git branch to see all of our branches. Main is what we're on right now, and we got a test branch. Let's call this one auth. Git branch auth. This is going to create a new branch. There we go, and then we're going to move to it. We're going to check it out to work on. Git. If we just did git branch right now, you can see that we created it, but we didn't actually swap to it, so to speak. We're still working on the main branch right here. So let's go git checkout auth. There we go. Now we are using, we are on the auth branch right now. Any changes we make will not be reflected, even if we were to push it to the remote repository, which we don't have an upstream set, so I don't know. It would probably kick back a little error. But we're gonna work on this over the next video or two, and then we'll merge it at the end of the next video back into the main branch. And I believe that's it. Let's go back and just double check on our thing. Still deploying, it's not quite done yet. I'm gonna pause the video and we'll come back just to make sure everything worked all right. All right, so that took absolutely forever. Not really, it was 5 minutes. On the paid plans, it's like 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, so it's 5 minutes. Anyway, so I'm gonna go over here and hit refresh, and then boom, our new site is live, topicalmap.ai. Of course, you know, nothing really works at the moment. None of these links work. None of these links work. But alas, we got the site up. Now, see you in the next video. We'll go through the auth stuff.